In this short tutorial I will show you how to get the rogue poisons and how to apply them in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. I will show you how to get them from the Alliance side, and after that I will show you how to get them from the Horde side, where to purchase them. This is no high-end tutorial, this is just to get you started with poisons for your rogue, to know how to apply them and also to know where to buy them if you never played rogue before. So for the Alliance, you will have to get here in the old town and get forward, because here you can locate, let me sprint a little bit, here is a guy who will sell these poisons. His name is Jasper, so just speak with Jasper, and he will have all kinds of poisons from level 20 to level 32, 38 and so on. Let me see, 68, and here is the 77, 79 and the level 80. And I personally use this one. I also have it in my bag, and I'd like to combine it with, let me see, this one. The wound poison level 7 has a chance to strike a poison on the enemy, causing damage, and also very important, reducing all healing effects used on them by 50%. And I combine this with the deadly poison level 9 because it has a 30% chance of poisoning an enemy for like 740 nature damage over 12 seconds. And as I told you, I'm combining it, so I'm putting one of a dagger and the other poison on the other dagger, and this is the way I play, but feel free to combine them as you'd like. This is how to apply them. You don't really have to train anything, you just have to buy them. You'll have the poisons which you buy in your bag all the time, and when you want to apply one, just right click on the poison, then click on your weapon, and you will see that buff in the top right hand corner. It will last for like an hour, depending that on the poison. And the location of the map is Old Town in Stormwind City, right here in Elwyn Forest. Now let's move to the Horde side, and I will show you how to get them from Ogrimmar. Alright, and this is the only character I had on the Horde side. I'm located right now in Ogrimmar, in Durotar, right here at the Cleft of Shadow, and I'll show you right here. Go forward, so that was the entrance, and now go forward, and on the right side you locate this guy who will sell poisons for the horde people. So that was the tutorial in WoW WoTLK, where to get the rogue poisons and also how to apply the rogue poisons. I hope this helped you out, and thank you a lot for watching.